We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today we're going to be looking at the building blocks section of StrategyQuant and going over bar and time, price, and operators. So let's go check that out. So we're in the builder, we're in full settings, and we're in building blocks. Right here we can see signals. These are predefined conditions, means they're pre-made conditions. And yeah, you can see that these are already pre-made for you and you can just select them. And you don't need to worry about this other other category right here called indicators. It can be set at 0, everything in there. But if you want to make custom types of algorithms and strategies, you need to understand what's inside of here and how to make it work. So right here we have the first one called bar and time. Then we have a list of indicators. The next one is prices. And finally, operators. Okay, so you need to pick operators and to make the indicators work. If you're using this column right here, you need to choose something from here to make these work. Okay, and I'll explain what that means. So say you've got a MACD indicator and you choose that. Okay, well, you need to define how it's going to be read. So that's where you do it right here. Sorry. Right here in operators. And so you need to understand how that works. So guess what? I wrote a blog about all of that and how each one is defined, and then I put it in different categories for you: trend, mean reversion, momentum. Another option right here is you can use the price to open or close your strategies. Like for instance, on the daily open, it could your strategy could open a trade. And bar and time, certain days of the week or hours in the day, trades can be set to. So let's go take a look at the blog and get those definitions. So I wrote an entire blog on this, and I'll put it in the description below, and it explains what bar and time is, and it goes through each one, defines it, and then after how you could use it, and I divide it into different use cases for your strategies. For this one is split up from hour 1 to 4 hour, and daily, intraday, and different types of strategy types as well. News avoidance. Okay, and so you can go through that and read that. The next one was the price. What all those terms mean, and yeah, so you can go through and understand them. And then I also give some examples on how you can use them, and boxes that you tick. So if you use the indicator column in building blocks and you don't use this section right here, operators, then you will get an error, and because you can't click an indicator without giving it some sort of operation and understanding of how it's going to work. And so hopefully this blog will help you out. So in the next video, I'm actually going to share downloadable pre-made building block strategies, so you can just easily download what I give you and upload it into the building blocks section for trends, mean reversion, and all of that. But I wanted to make these videos, the past maybe 3 or 4 videos, so that you can understand how I made them and how you can make your own. So essentially I'm just showing you how they're made and what you got to do to make them. And so we'll see you in the next video. The next video will be much easier than the last 3 videos.